Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 24th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from American Express. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. American Express has just released their earnings for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024, and there's a lot to unpack, from record revenues to strategic initiatives for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. American Express reported a net revenue of $17.2 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 9% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The fourth quarter revenue growth was primarily driven by strong card member spending and higher net interest income. For the full year, American Express achieved record revenues of $65.9 billion, up 9% year over year, or 10% on an FX-adjusted basis. This growth was supported by increased card member spending and strong card fee growth.
And what about profitability?
For the fourth quarter, net income was $2.2 billion, up from $1.9 billion a year ago. For the full year, net income reached a record $10.1 billion, a 21% increase from the previous year. This was driven by higher revenues and disciplined expense management.
Earnings per share and analyst forecast. John, let's talk about the earnings per share. American Express reported an adjusted EPS of $3.04 for the fourth quarter. How does this compare to analyst expectations?
American Express slightly beat the analyst forecast of 3.3 with an actual EPS of 3.4, marking a 16% increase year over year. This performance reflects the company's strong revenue growth and effective cost management strategies.
And how many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
The forecast was based on a survey of 12 analysts, indicating a consensus expectation that American Express managed to surpass.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, what strategic initiatives has American Express outlined for 2025?
American Express is focusing on several key areas, including investing in premium value propositions, expanding their global network, and enhancing their technology and talent. They expect revenue growth of 8 to 10% and EPS in the range of $15 to $15.50 for 2025. Additionally, they plan to increase their quarterly dividend by 17% to 82 cents per share.
That's quite an ambitious outlook. What are the key drivers behind this confidence?
The company is leveraging its strong momentum from 2024 with record levels of card member spending and new card acquisitions. They are particularly targeting growth opportunities among millennial and Gen Z consumers and in key international markets.
Operational efficiencies and risk management. John, how is American Express managing its operational efficiencies and risks?
American Express has maintained a disciplined approach to expense management, with a 6% increase in consolidated expenses for the full year, primarily due to higher customer engagement costs and marketing investments. They also reported a provision for credit losses of $5.2 billion, reflecting higher net write-offs but a lower reserve build year over year. The effective tax rate increased slightly to 21.5%.
And what about their credit performance?
The net write-off rate for the fourth quarter was 1.9%, down from 2.0% a year ago, indicating strong credit performance and effective risk management strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, American Express has delivered a strong performance for 2024 with record revenues and net income. Their strategic initiatives and positive outlook for 2025 make them a compelling investment prospect. John, any final thoughts?
American Express is well-positioned for continued growth with a focus on expanding their customer base and enhancing their offerings. Their strong financial performance and strategic investments indicate a promising future.
Thank you, John, for your insights. and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on American Express's performance in the comments below.